Hello, this is Nancy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hosting a red, white, and blue party with plaid products. I'm be using the FolkArt Outdoor Paint, and here are the three colors I'll be using, the red, white, and blue. I'll be working with 2x4 scraps from my porch, and I got this plan from Jen at Woodcrafts Blueprints. I'll be linking her information down in the description box below so you can get the dimensions for her project. And first I'm doing the blue blocks, and I'm using the blue paint, which is called Cerulean Blue. And the blue and the red, I didn't have to do a double coat. The white one I had to do at least 2 or 3 coats, but I wanted it be a little bit more rustic, so I didn't do 2 coats to do a full coverage. But you can do what you want on this right here. These would be great if you made several to put on your picnic tables for the 4th of July for your family. They're quick and easy to make, and they just use scraps of 2x4. Now onto the red blocks. I'm using the FolkArt Outdoor and Engine Red, and I'll link all these products in my description box below, so you can find those items quickly. Now onto the white blocks, and I'll be using the FolkArt Outdoor and Wicker White. And like I said, this one I had to do 2 or 3 coats because I didn't want it just had showed too much of the 2x4, so that's why I did the extra coats on the white. Now once all the paint is dry, we're going to start gluing the pieces together. I cheated on a few of them and used my heat gun, so if you want, you can let it sit on its own and dry. It dried pretty quick on its own too. But a couple of pieces I cheated. I'm sorry. So here I'm just adding some wood glue and adding the white stripe and the red stripe, the longer ones, and then the shorter white stripe and red stripe. And I do finish painting the red on this one. I just forgot that it was the top of the stack, so I'll paint that afterwards as well. After the red and white stripes are dry, I'm adding the blue blocks. And the blue blocks is not as wide or deep as the 2x4s, but since it's on the back, you won't see it that much. So now I'm using some painter's tape and painting some stars. And I pulled out my Martha Stewart stencils, also a Plaid product. And I took out the 250. I'm going to be stenciling in 250 for America's 250th anniversary. And I'm pouncing on here with the white paint. And I did a couple coats on it. I'm going to do that for the 2 and the 5 baby. Now once the 250 is dry, I'm going to be adding some of the painted stars that I did earlier with some art glitter glue. But you can do whatever you want in this blue section. You can just put stars. You can just put 1776 if you wanted to, or you can do whatever you want. Again, I'll leave all the links to these products in the description box below. And until next time, be brave, be strong, and create a flag with 2x4s.